Whether you're on Android or iPhone, you'll be able to turn your heater off just like that and turn it back on with a tap of your smartphone. And that little red thing is what's controlling that. What you're looking at here is the smart socket made by Orvibo. It gives you the ability to turn electronics on and off with your cell phone, even set schedules and monitor usage from anywhere. So it has an energy meter so you can see how much energy you're consuming. It's compatible with Android and iPhone. So let's unbox this now. Quick start guide, now let's get started. Gives you directions and what you need to install, how to set it up. As you can see, I went with the red. And taking it out of the box, there's nothing in here. And that's it. This has the built-in Wi-Fi, so it goes through your application of your mobile phone. There are some specs there, Model S3 for indoor use only. It's plastic underneath, but it has a soft coating like felt. It looks good. And on the top, we have one button, and then there's the LED indicator, and obviously the US standard plugin. And this is gonna be super useful for turning on certain lights, or perfect example, my heater. Okay, you're looking at where I sit and record my videos, top cam, this is the side cam that I'm recording with, and you can see my heater on the left. Now, I built this whole entire room and I didn't make a central heating system, obviously, so this entire room was made the best I could with the funds that I had. But this little heater system, I have to get up every time to turn it on and off, and I hate it because I'm in the middle of the night, I'm cold, I want to turn it off because then it gets too hot, and then I take the blankets off, and then it gets too cold. So this is why this is going to come in handy, because I can stay in bed and I have to get up and just use my phone to turn it on and off. But it's not all about being lazy, it's also the ability to be away from home and turn on and off. So we're gonna go to the Play Store. We're gonna say HomeMate. We're going to install it. Let's press open. So it looks like we have to sign up. We're gonna browse through it. So these are scene modes. When you get home, there's turn on the AC, close the curtains, turn on the lights, and turn the TV on. So Orvibo has other products that you can use for around your home. And then there's more. Family management, alert setting, and whatnot. Click on the ad, and we're gonna look for the socket. It'll show you pictures of the device, but this is the one we have. Plug in the socket into outlet, hold and press the button for 6 seconds until the red light flashes. So I'm gonna go do that right now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It flashed right on 6. Go next. And this is how it looks on the iPhone. Identical. Wait to connect to Wi-Fi, please wait. And there we go. We'll leave it as that. Press save. If I select on mode, I haven't given any mode. Click on that. We can name a mode, say opening time. I get off of work around 12:30 to turn on, so that way on my commute when I get home it's gonna start getting warm. Closing when I go to bed around 4 in the morning. Confirm. So that's gonna be automatically turning on and off at that point and repeat. So there's an arriving time. We can set that on and off. There's a timer, how long I want to have it on for. You get the idea. And the countdown. We only want it running for 3 hours. So now, clicking on that, I heard the socket click on and off, and it's a little white light. And it turns off now. This is a super bright LED corn light. I'm gonna flip the switch here. That's on the lamp. And now I'm gonna turn it on by clicking this on. Look at that. And turn it off. That is awesome. On, off. And now let's check out the iFi. On, off. Okay, here's the real-time power consumption. Let's turn it on. And we can see that it turns green. And we're gonna see how much wattage this lamp is taking. It's very energy efficient, but you get the idea. You're gonna be able to track that. There's 32 watts in real time. Let's go to the energy and tell you how long it's been working. Obviously just for 5 minutes worth. Power consumption, the more you use, it's gonna be telling you more information during the week and how much you use in a month. So maybe you're like, oh my god, I need to change the light bulb, or I shouldn't be using the TV so much, or the heater's taking too much. I really enjoy this kind of stuff. So 31.2, so let's turn that off. Now I'm gonna plug in the heater. So let's hit it. And look at that. We have 1100 watts of power coming out through that heater. So that's a lot. It'll tell you here how long you've been using it for. You get the idea. So there you guys have it. My laziness is more enabled with smart technology like this, but at the same time, it's not really lazy, it's more smart. To set a timer or a schedule when you leave home and come home so you're not using electricity that you don't need when you're not home, obviously. Hopefully in a few years, I can finally start saving up for my own home. And you can bet my house is gonna be full of smart stuff.